Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to record video in portrait and landscape mode at the same time in iPhone smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the App Store and just search for one application name as 2Shot. Now you'll see here dual shot recorder, 2Shot. Just click on it. Now click on install or get. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, it will ask you some permission. Just allow all the permission. Now you can see here, the first one is in the portrait mode and below will be in the landscape mode. And here is a record button. And below you can see here, right now we have selected the dual lens. So if you want a single lens, then you can choose the single lens also. Now you'll see here, and if you want to use a front camera, then you can just click on this button. So now you can see here, using the front camera also, you can record video in portrait as well as in the landscape mode at the same time. And here you can see your application settings. So under the settings, you can select the video quality, that is the Full HD 1080p, or you can select the 4K depending upon how much your iPhone smartphone supports. And you can change the frame rate also. And below you can select the file format, MOV or MP4. And below you can use the wide angle lens for portrait, or you can disable it also, mirror front camera. So these are the options you will get inside this application settings. So in order to record, just click on this record button, then it will start recording. As you can see, the timer is running, and once your recording is done, just click on the stop recording button. Then it will get saved automatically to the Photos application. So by using this cool application named as 2Shot, you can easily record video in portrait and landscape mode at the same time in iPhone smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.